my name is Paula and today I will speak of my family. This is my sister Anna. She has 11 years old and she likes swimming. This is my father Joan. He 49 years old and he enjoys classical music. This is my mother Dolores. She 48 years old and she likes bake cakes or muffins. This is my pet Lula. She is a Guinea pig. Thank you for your attention.
Today I will explain about my family. My father is sympathetic and always treats me well. My sister has some strong character. My pets are obedient dogs, especially my three. I am nice person as my family. My mom for me is the best mother in the world.
Justin Bieber is a famous person and for his songs. In this photo is 19 years old. Justin Bieber was born on 1 March 1994 on Canada, and in this photo Justin is a baby.
I went to a camp for 10 days and we did many activities, like canoeing and cave. The food was much better than the school. Second, went to my grandparents' house and my grandfather has a sailing ship I enjoy, but never can. Third, I went to the Catalan Pyrenees, Lleida. In this photo is my family at one time. In this photo is my family in excursion. And in this photo is my sister and I in a camp.
I love taekwondo. It's an interesting sport. In this picture, you can see how I dress when I do taekwondo. I wear white long trousers and a white jacket. I have yellow belt. I also like swimming. It's a very complex sport. I like swimming in the sea or on the sea or in the pool. These are my cousin Laura, my cousin Joan, my brother Paul, and me. In his photo is my complete family of 28.
Hello class, I'm going to talk about my family. This is my father, Andrew. He is 49 years old. This is my mother, Montserrat. She is 43 years old. This is my grandmother, Aurora. She is 76 years old. This is my brother, Andrew. He is 14 years old. This is me. I'm Joan. I have 10 years old. This is my presentation.
Hello class, today I will talk about my pets. I have 4 pets. For example,
My cat Luna, which is 4 years old, and white, brown, and gray colors. My dog Dexter, which is 6 years old. My fish Sebi is white and has black stripes. And my hamster Capitan Salami is 5 months old. Is black, white and brown. I love my pets. There are some beautiful.
Hello class, I'm going to talk about my family. This one is my father. He's 52 years old, but in this photo he had 42 years old. This one is my mother. She's 47 years old, but in this photo she had 37 years old. This one is my cousin, and he's 16 years old, but in this photo he had 11 years old.
Hello class, here you can see my family. We are my family of 4 members and I live on home with my sister, my mother and my father. She is my sister Laura. Laura is 15 years old. She's got brown eyes and brown long hair. Her favorite sport is gymnastics and her favorite food is chocolate. In this photo you can see my sister, and in the second you can see my sister and me together. She is my mother. My mother's name is Mireia. My mom is 47 years old. She's got brown eyes and long dark hair. Her favorite sport is ride a bike and her favorite food is black chocolate. In this photo you can see my sister, my mother and me. And the last one is my father called Guillermo. He is 15 years old. His favorite sport is ride a bike and playing football. He's got brown eyes and short brown hair. And in the last photo you can see all my family.
Hello class! I'm going to talk about my favorite Mona. My aunt brought my favorite Mona on 2007. I was 6 years old. She had 2 dolls. Their names is Flora and Musa. They were a TV series stars. There was a chocolate dressing table on a cake. Here take 2 photos. In right is Flora and left is Musa.
Hello class, it is my family. My dad, my mom, my brother and me. My dad, his name is Sergio. He's 36 years old. I like run, playing football, playing tennis, playing basketball. My mom's name is Susana. She's 36 years old. I don't like sport, but I like fitness and yoga. My brother, his name is Ivan. He 9 years old. I like playing football and basketball. And me, my name is Alejandro. I am 11 years old. I like playing basketball, playing football and hockey.
Hello class, today I'm going to talk about my family. Here's my dad and my mom. My dad is 45 years old and he likes to read. My mom, she likes to read too and she is 42 years old. She is my sister Onia. In this photo, she is 2 years old. And this is my sister Clara. In this photo, she is 1 year old. This is me, and I'm 5 years old. Here, I'm jumping in the ground. Here Clara likes to take pictures and she's my sister Anya, and she likes to see into the picture. Here's my family. Here's the family of my dad.
My father is Carlos. I like a motorbike and mountain bike and the computer. My mother, Elena, she like read the books and she like cook. My brother is Diego. She like see the iPad, play the toys and play the beach.
Hello class, I am Paul and will say that the summer is here. And the sun, the hot, the beach and the swimming pool. Now the school finished and the holidays start. Now travel, now the career. Now go to the beach, to the water walk and talk with my friends. In this photo is the sun in the holidays. In this photo is the summer in the water.
Hello class, today I want to tell you my two cats. I want to tell you when we found them and how they are. We watched Rommel in a pet shop and we found Michetta in the forest. My cat Rommel has yellow eyes and green soft hair, and my cat Michetta has blue eyes and brown and white hair. Now I want to tell you about the personality of Rommel and Michetta. My cat Rommel likes to play every day and he loves persons. Michetta is easily scared but loves to play too. Rommel is 9 years old and it's a British cat. Michetta is 6 years old and it's a street cat. Thank you class.